Hi, hope you guys are all doing great. As part of my Freedom Tour 2023, I've reached Arunachal Pradesh. Right now, we are in Indira Park in Itanagar. It's an amazing place. The climate is relatively cool, and I was told this is one of the best times to visit this place. So, looking forward to explore this place and simultaneously record some videos as NEET MDS exam is approaching. So, first and foremost, right from the beginning of my journey, of my preparation journey, of my academy, of my YouTube channel, I've been mentioning about certain factors which I clearly highlighted in one of the recent messages that I released on social media. Preparation mantra. So, this series of videos which I'll be making from now, let me start with the following topic, that is preparation mantra. So, what is this all about? See, often when we are trying to accomplish something, when we have certain goals or targets in mind, we have this bigger question like how to start, how to crack, how to achieve, how to fulfill our dreams. So, during the process of my journey, and also based on my observation and experience, I have figured it out that we can crack anything and everything based on our targets, provided we have the following three factors in mind. Life teaches us many things, and this is what life has taught me so far. The first and foremost factor is hard work. You should be able to work hard, and in order to accomplish certain things, pouring in countless number of hours towards the task at hand is very important, and there is no replacement for that. Frankly, we keep looking for shortcuts, we keep looking for things which make our job easy. Fortunately or unfortunately, that's not how things work. If you want to achieve something, we need to pour in countless number of hours. That is very important, and hard work is a prerequisite factor to succeed, not just in entrance, for that matter, anything in life. And the second factor which I keep on talking about is consistency. Just because you are in a mood today and you're working hard, that's great, but you should be able to do that on a consistent basis till you reach your target, goal, or destination. Consistency is one of the factors which I feel like is a decider of one's success. And your ability to maintain consistency is directly proportional to your determination to crack entrance. The stronger you are, or the more determined you are towards cracking entrance, the more the probability or possibility that you will be consistent in your efforts. And the third factor is self-belief. Every year I see countless number of aspirants giving up, losing themselves in the process of their preparation just because they don't believe in themselves. They do work hard, they do work consistently, but on the day of exam, most of us, you know, as far as my observation is concerned, we stutter and stammer, we struggle because we always have this self-doubt, and society has induced a lot of it into our minds in the process of this growth, in the process of this journey. But let me remind you something: you are unique, special in your own way. And I'm not just saying it for sake of saying it, because the reality of life is I'm what I am. I'm unique in my own way. You are unique in your own way. So you should be able to believe in yourself, because if not you, then who else is going to do that for you, right? So hard work, consistency, and self-belief, this I term it as preparation mantra. You keep these factors in mind, implement them to the best of your ability. It's not just about cracking entrance. Entrance, you can consider that as a pilot study in the larger phenomena of life, right? So if you're able to do it well, mark my words, you're able to do anything for that matter in life successfully without any second thoughts. So it's all about hard work, consistency, and self-belief. Keep these three factors in mind, and that's your preparation mantra. And from now, we'll be making more and more videos on consistent basis. We'll be in touch with you, because as I said, exam is approaching, and one of the most important things that students need, which is not available on any platforms or textbooks, is motivation. So this is extrinsic motivation, but remember that true form of motivation is intrinsic motivation. Once you are clear with what you want to do with your life, you'll always stay intrinsically motivated. So it's been quite a long since we had a recorded video, and it's good to be back on the platform. Wish you all the very best, and for any doubts, any queries, any assistance or guidance, feel free to contact me through WhatsApp or through mail 24/7. Wish you all the very best. Love you all.